Good morning, World Wide Web, loyal subscribers, YouTubers, guys. It's me, Marlon Bennett, and I'm back for another new Leads Leap review here on my YouTube channel, guys. Okay. So we already know, guys, in my new Leads Leap review, guys, I'm talking about all things Leads Leap, right? Why I'm loving Leads Leap so very much, and why I'm here to share why I'm loving Leads Leap so much. So with you guys, right? So look, guys, here's the deal. If you're an individual who's looking to generate more traffic, right, and more leads to your business, right, then you want to watch this video, right? Because by being able to generate more leads and traffic for your business, it's just a great way to grow your business and build your business even bigger, right? And what I want you guys to understand as I'm actually doing my new Leads Leap review is the fact that Leads Leap is not just a great page builder. Okay, it's not just a great place to go and build some really innovative and sort of creative lead capture pages. Because you can do that with probably just about any page building software that you can actually get. One of the things I like about Leads Leap is the fact that it's absolutely free, and you can do that. And when I say innovative building, innovative lead capture pages and things of that sort, is because you can edit them and you can do all kinds of great stuff when it comes to that. So you can speak to your particular audience any way you want. Don't get the fact that there are just only 10 templates that you can go in and use, but those are 10 templates you can go in and use and redesign, if you will, and edit any way you want to speak to any type of audience that you want. So, make sure you understand that as an internet marketer. So when I say that Leads Leap is not just a page building software, funnel building software, it's so much more than that, right? To me, it's so much more than that, and this is why I'm developing, actually, with each passing day, a greater appreciation for Leads Leap. As long as Leads Leap is around, I'll be building my business, or a great part of it, around Leads Leap, right? That's just a fact, guys. I'm not going to deviate. I'm just going to tell you it's just the truth. And the reason why I'm telling you it's more than just a page builder. What it really is, guys, it's a universal, evergreen suite of resources that you can actually use to build your business, and you can generate leads and traffic with it, right? So when we talk about those keywords being evergreen, universal, which is why it's been around so long, it's never going to go away like some biz ops will, or even like some platforms that may be compared to Leads Leap, right? The fact that they've been around since 2008, it's not a happenstance, right? Anyway, the fact of the matter is, if you want to generate more leads for your business, if you want to stand out in your business, if you want to get a little bit more creative, for my creators, right, then Leads Leap is definitely a place you want to be. And like I said before, I'm going to continue to build my business around the Leads Leap platform, which is a great example in my lead capture page, as I fire up the 2.0 version of my Big Banner Ads marketing strategy. Yep, I'm building the actual capture pages, or some of them, right inside the Leads Leap platform. And this is another one of those platforms. This is why, let's talk about this. Let's understand this. We're talking about leads, right? We're talking about traffic, right? If a person were to ask me what business I was in, I was telling them, I would say I'm in the traffic and lead generation business. Why? Because the door is wide open. The windows are wide open in terms of the vast amount of people we can connect with and build a list, right? Because everybody needs more traffic and everybody wants more leads. It's a fact. You know what I mean? It's never going to change. So inside of my Big Banner Ads marketing strategy, which I'm going to go ahead on and plug as I do this new Leads Leap review, because my Big Banner Ads marketing strategy is built inside of the Leads Leap platform, I will go on and tell you guys that we're talking about generating traffic Monday through Sunday, on holidays, and even while you're sleeping, for just pennies on the dollar. That's how we kick this thing off, right? And so I use Leads Leap to build my lead capture page for the 2.0 version of my Big Banner Ads marketing strategy. I take a simple capture page, I redirect that page to a simple landing page, a thank you page. In this instance, you can call it whatever you want, but as I'm starting to build my list around traffic and lead generation, tools, techniques, tactics, strategies, resources, right? This is how I do it. You guys already know that you're welcome to join Leads Leap at any time, and you guys already know that you're going to get a free marketing system exactly like this one. It'll be coded and loaded with everything that you want it to be coded and loaded with, but just know that this is how we're doing it, right? Very simple, all built within the Leads Leap platform. What I'm doing, guys, is I'm actually talking about traffic and lead generation. So what did I do, guys? Okay, I've drifted into this place where over years of learning different techniques, tactics, strategies, and using different tools and resources to build my list, I figured, well, why not put all those resources, should I say, in one place? And that's exactly what I did inside of my 1 million ways to market Big Banner Ads marketing strategy members area. It's everything. You know, you want traffic, you can get traffic every single day. You can get it for pennies on the dollar. That's what we talk about inside the Big Banner Ads marketing strategy, right? We talk about it. I give you guys the banners. I show you guys how to download them. I show you guys how to upload them into the resources to include LeadsLeap, right? And then, guys, if you guys should in fact decide to be so inclined to join, you will get a capture page just like this one, and you'll be able to broker, listen, broker being the key words here, traffic and lead generation resources, tools, techniques, tactics, and strategies, and you guys will be able to earn cha-ching money by doing so. In essence, guys, what you are is a traffic and lead generation broker, right? So as you go out as an internet marketer, as a new internet marketer, as an MLM, as a network marketer, if you want to promote even your own products and services, guys, lead with traffic and lead generation, right? Lead with that because everybody needs it. And it's going to be really, really easy to build your list if you build it around something that's universal, that's evergreen, because everybody's going to always be looking for it, which actually gives you an unfair advantage in terms of the way that you approach and start, or the door, that front door that you make available as you're starting as an internet marketer. If if you want to diversify, and you can do all of those things inside of LeadsLeap, and you can do all of those things with my Big Banner Ads marketing strategy and my 1 million ways to market resources, right? It's not this is not a business opportunity, right? This is an opportunity to build a bigger business, to build a business from scratch if you want, right? Because you're going to be building a list. And you're not only building a list by using the technique, the tactics, the strategy, and tools and resources inside of my 1 million ways to market membership area, you're going to also be able to broker the same technique, tactics, strategies, tools, and resources to other internet marketers. And you're building your list all the way through. And you're creating relationships all the way through. And you're able to earn all the way through. And you can diversify because you can do whatever you want to do, because you can take the LeadsLeap platform. Let me show you something. Free gift I'm giving you guys today. And use all the tools inside of that resource to start generating traffic every single day. And I haven't even mentioned the fact, up until now, that as a LeadsLeap member, you're able to earn commissions as an affiliate, passing these great tools, resources, training on to other internet marketers. That's why it's so universal. That's why it's been around since 2008. That's why it's never going to go away. That's why as long as it's around, I'll be building my business around it. And that's why you want to get involved with a platform such as LeadsLeap. And that's why I'm making it available to you guys right now today. So I'm going to close this new LeadsLeap review out by saying it's absolutely free. When they say we're giving away a free lifetime membership, there's no typos. You're free to examine the page, check in, log in, get inside your dashboard, see what's available, and start making things happen. That's it, guys. It's a beautiful day outside. I'm absolutely loving my new LeadsLeap review. I hope you guys are loving the new LeadsLeap review too. And if you're finding me for the very first time on YouTube, go ahead and subscribe, guys, because I'm always in this place and I'm always in this space where I'm ready, willing, capable, and able of learning some things I never knew and I'm always sharing them with you. Hold on, keep making things happen. Let's get hot, and I'll see you guys on the next video.